Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee. So ito guys, SPX, ibig sabihin niya Shopee Express. So ang sender natin guys is si Motobes.
Sinungaling!
So ang order ko rito guys is yung yung spring shock para sa e-bike. So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. I-unbox natin guys.
Paano masabi?
So ang order ko rito guys is 2.20 yata, parang ganun.
Tanga mo naman!
Okay guys, legit si seller guys. Ang problema guys, maliit yung spring shock. Hindi siya 2.20. Tsaka guys, may damage to. So, i-return natin to kay sender guys. Pwede naman to may refund to return and refund. So, pag ganun guys na may mga damage yung mga item nyo, pwede nyong i-return and refund. So, tulad nito guys, may damage. Tapos, hindi siya yung size na hinahanap ko guys. I-return ko to guys. Thank you for watching.